Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, let's take a look at how to set up the Casa Keys and Casa Touch that come bundled with your brand new Casa Pop-Up Desk kit. Today, we'll be using a Mac to demonstrate the setup process. And with that said, let's take a look at how to connect your Casa Keys first. Now, turn on the power switch located on the top right edge of your Casa Keys. The power indicator will turn green once powered on and fade out. With the keyboard turned on, you will notice one of the easy switch LED lights blinking rapidly, indicating that it's in pairing mode. Now, under the Bluetooth settings of your computer, you'll find that Casa Keys has been detected. And to finish the pairing process, click on Connect and type the code that is shown on your screen and press Enter. You have now successfully connected your Casa Keys to your computer. And with that, let's shift our focus to the Casa Touch, where the pairing process is quite similar to that of the Casa Keys. On the Casa Touch, the power switch is located on the top right edge. Now turn it on and the power indicator will turn green. Once powered on, one of the easy switches located at the bottom of the touchpad will start blinking rapidly, indicating it's in pairing mode. Once powered on, your Casa Touch will appear under the Bluetooth settings. Just click Connect and you have now successfully connected your Casa Touch. Now you can connect your keyboard and touchpad with up to 3 different computers using the Easy Switch button. On your Casa Keys, the Easy Switch buttons are located on the F1 to F3 keys, while on your Casa Touch, it's on the bottom of the device. To connect, just press and hold the channel of your choice for 3 seconds. This will put the keyboard and touchpad in discoverable mode. This is indicated by the LED blinking rapidly on that particular channel. Your device will show up under the Bluetooth settings. Just click on Connect and follow the on-screen instructions if provided, and you are good to go. To switch between computers, a short press on the Easy Switch button will instantly switch your device. I hope that was helpful in getting your Casa Keys and your Casa Touch connected. If you have any other questions, please reach out to our support site. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.